Here we go on Mumbo Jumbo.
And it's time to what?
Ride it like a bad boy!
Ride it like a bad boy. Send it. Ride it like a bad boy. Oh.
Where does this come from, Charlotte? What?
Oh, it means cred.
Right.
Yeah, creds. Oh, I forgot how fast this lift hill is. The steep, what is it, 90, what's the angle? 91, 93 degree. I'm not that fully technical up with everything. Oh God, here we go. Ah! 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 Oh!
Oh, we got wet then.
You got what?
We got dripped on.
Dripped on? Oh! Oh my God! Hang time! Ah! Woo! Woo! Oh man, it's so cool. I'm surprised we haven't got any more in the UK. Oh! One of these. Oh, apart from that bit there. Oh! Imagine one of these at Blackpool.
If you got rid of the over the shoulder,
yeah,
it would be brilliant. It's a good ride.
It is, and it's practically walk on there. You got that was Mumbo Jumbo.